Good morning students. Today we are going to start the next part from the practice set 5.1. In the last lecture we have already started the coordinate geometry and we have completed the two types of example. First we have seen how to find the distance between 2 points, and we have seen the collinear points, how to check the collinear and non-collinear point. This is the fourth question from the practice set 5.1. So in this question, the question is written that show that the points P, Q, R, S are the vertices of parallelogram. So first we need to understand what is meant by parallelogram. हमें इधर 4 पॉइंट्स गिवन है, वो चारों पॉइंट बताना है कि these points are the vertices of a parallelogram. So how will we check? So first we need to know what is the properties of parallelogram. So parallelogram is nothing but any four-sided figure. Four-sided figures means चार साइड होंगे वो फिगर के अंदर. That four-sided figure has opposite sides, means PQ and SR are opposite sides. The opposite sides should be equal and parallel, and PS should be equal and parallel with QR. Means opposite sides equal होने चाहिए, parallel होना चाहिए, and opposite angles should be equal and parallel. Then only we can say that this quadrilateral is called parallelogram. Quadrilateral मतलब क्या? फोर साइडेड फिगर. quadrilateral हर एक फिगर हो सकता, parallelogram, rectangle, square, kite. Okay, any four sided figure is a parallelogram, quadrilateral. But in quadrilateral एक टाइप के quadrilateral के अंदर parallelogram. quadrilateral मतलब हर एक फोर साइडेड फिगर को quadrilateral बोला जाएगा. तो ये quadrilateral का एक टाइप है जिसमें अपोजिट साइड्स एंड अपोजिट एंगल्स क्या रहते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं. सो हियर दिस इज द quadrilateral in that if the opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal, then only we can say that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So here what we have to do, so 4 points are given P, Q, R, S. So we have to do that. We have to first calculate the distance of PQ, then we have to calculate the distance of QR, then we have to calculate distance of RS, and finally we have to calculate distance of SP. So we have to calculate 4 distance. After finding all 4 distance, we have to just check whether the opposite sides, whether the opposite distance are equal or not. जैसा मैंने PQ फाइंड आउट करा, QR फाइंड आउट करा, RS फाइंड आउट करा, तो चेक करना है PQ और RS का डिस्टेंस सेम है या नहीं. अगर दोनों PQ और RS का डिस्टेंस का वैल्यू सेम यूनिट आ रहा, दैट मीन्स PQ इज पैरेलल टू SR. और अगर QR का डिस्टेंस PS के इक्वल आ रहा, इसका मतलब QR इज पैरेलल टू SP, PS. ओके, तो अभी हम स्टार्ट कैसा करेंगे? सबसे पहले 4 पॉइंट्स गिवन है P 2 - 2, Q 7, 3, R 11, -1, S 6, -6. ये चारों पॉइंट को हम लोग सपोज करेंगे x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है P, वी हैव डिनोटेड बाय x1, y1, Q इज डिनोटेड बाय x2, y2, R इज डिनोटेड बाय x3, y3, एंड S इज डिनोटेड बाय x4, y4. तो ये हम लोग ने एक रफ फिगर बनाए डायग्राम को देख के, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए कि PQRS कैसे फॉर्म हो रहे, साइड्स कैसे फॉर्म हो रहे, वो देखने के लिए. सो नाउ फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डिस्टेंस ऑफ PQ. अभी हमको ये PQ डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना. सो विल राइट द फॉर्मूला, डिस्टेंस ऑफ PQ इज इक्वल्स टू √. अभी हियर फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेक कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ x2 एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P है x1, y1, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q है x2, y2. So formula, how we have to write the formula? The formula will become like this: second coordinate minus first, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we will write here x2 minus x1 whole square plus bracket y2 minus y1 whole square. After that we will write √. What is the value of x2 here? 7. So 7 minus 2 whole square plus what is the value of y2 here? 3. Minus of minus plus 2 bracket square. y2 is 3, y1 is minus 2, so minus of minus plus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5 square, and 3 plus 2 is again 5 square, and 5 square is nothing but what is the value of 5 square? 25. What is the value of 5 square? 25. 25 plus 25 कितना आता है? √50. So what we have got, therefore distance of PQ is √50 units. So we have got first distance, that is distance of PQ. Call this as equation number 1. Okay, so we have completed first equation. First distance we have already calculated, that is distance of PQ. तुमको पता है डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूले कैसे यूज करते हैं? एज यूजुअल जैसा लास्ट लेक्चर में लिए. ओके, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q माइनस कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P. अब उसके बाद हमें फाइंड आउट करना है डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्यू आर। अब डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्यू आर कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ क्यू, देन वी हैव टू नो द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ आर, फिर सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट को फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। सो वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर क्यू आर ऑल्सो। सो हाउ विल वी राइट? सो यू कैन सी हियर द नेक्स्ट फिगर. So here first we will write coordinate of q. Coordinate of q is 7, 3, that is x2, y2, and r 11, -1, that is x3, y3. So we have written the first coordinate q and r. Q is q is 7, 3, r is 11, -1. So x2, y2, x3, y3. Now how to write the formula? The formula will become x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. So we will write here, therefore distance of QR is equal to under root of bracket x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. So under root of same, x3 is 11 minus 7 whole square plus -1 minus 3 whole square. 11 minus 7 is nothing but 4 square. Minus 3 minus 1 is again minus 4 square. Minus 4 square is 16. Again minus 4 is 16. Okay, 16 plus 16 is root 32. Therefore distance of QR is root 32. Call this as equation number 2. So this is your equation number 2. Okay, as we have got distance of QR, then we have to find the distance of PQ हो गया, QR हो गया. Now we have to find RS. ठीक है, so we'll have to find distance of RS. So first we'll write the coordinate R 11, -1, that is x3, y3, and S, that is S 6, -6, that is x4, y4. Now we will write the formula here. So how will you write the formula? Now we will write the formula related. Therefore distance of RS is equal to under root of x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. So under root of x4 minus x3 means 6 minus 11 whole square plus minus 6 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. 6 minus 11 is 5 square, then minus 6 plus 1 is again minus 5 square, then value of 5 square is 25 and minus 5 square is again 25. So this will be under root of 25 plus 25, and 25 plus 25 is root 50 unit. So we have got distance of RS root 50 units. Okay, so we will consider this as equation number. This is equation number 2. Now we will write this is equation number 3. Okay, how we have calculated? X4 minus x3 is 6 minus 11, that is 5 square, minus 6 plus 1 again minus 5 square. 5 square is 25, minus 5 square is 25. Root 25 plus 25 is root 50. So we have completed distance of RS, and finally we have to find distance of PS. Now here for distance of SP, S coordinate is given as 6, -6, that is x4, y4, and for P 2, -2, x1, y1. Now this is the last distance, that is we have to calculate. Okay, so first we'll write the formula. So distance of SP is equal to under root of x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square. What is the value of x4 here? x4 is 6 minus x1 is 2 bracket square plus y4 is minus 6 and y1 is minus 2 bracket square. So minus of minus, this will become plus 2. Okay, so this will be 6 minus 2 is again 4 square, minus 6 plus 2 is again minus 4 square, minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is again 16, 16 plus 16 is root 32. Therefore distance of SP is equal to root 32 units, and here we will call this as equation number 4. अब हम इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करेंगे. अगर हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे इक्वेशन को, तो हमें ये समझ में आएगा कि इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 3, इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन नंबर 3 दोनों का डिस्टेंस का वैल्यू सेम है, इक्वेशन 2 और इक्वेशन 4 का डिस्टेंस का वैल्यू सेम है। तो तुम यहाँ देख सकते हो, एज यू कैन सी हियर, ओके, दैट इज equation number 1 we are getting root 50, okay, equation number 3 again we are getting root 50, that means equation number 1 and equation number 3 is same, equation number 2 we are getting root 32 and equation 4 is again we are getting root 32. So we will write all these four distance together and then we have to compare, okay. So how will we write here? So first we will write distance of PQ. What we have got? Distance of PQ we have got root 50. Then distance of QR we have got root 32. Then distance of RS we have got root 50 and finally distance of SP we have got root 32. तो तुम यहाँ देख सकते हैं, as you can see here, okay, these two are root 50, equation number 1 and 3. तो from equation 1 and 3 distance of PQ distance of RS के बोले कि दोनों भी कितना आ रहा है, root 50. और उसके बाद तुम अगर देख सकते हैं distance of QR is root 32, distance of SP is root 32. तो दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे, so you will get distance of QR is equal to distance of SP. So if you will call this as equation number 1, okay, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Then we can write from equation 1 and 2, we'll write from equation 1 and 3, sorry, 1 and 3, we get distance of PQ is equal to distance of RS. Therefore, side PQ is parallel to side RS. This is the sign of parallel. जो double line है, that is the sign of parallel. And similarly, okay, from equation 2 and 4 we get distance of QR is equal to distance of PS. Therefore side QR is parallel to side PS. ओके, सो वी हैव कंप्लीट दिस एग्जाम्पल. ओके, जब ये पैरेलल हो गया इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, पैरेललोग्राम बन गया. सो फाइनली इन द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट वी कैन राइट देयरफॉर द वर्टाइसेस पॉइंट्स पी क्यू आर एस आर द वर्टाइसेस ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. जो क्वेश्चन है वही लिखना है, शो दैट कैंसिल करना है. देन फाइनली विल राइट देयरफॉर द पॉइंट्स पी कॉमा क्यू कॉमा आर एस आर द वर्टाइसेस ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम. सो विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीट दिस एग्जाम्पल. ओके, in the next lecture we will go through the next example. So I hope you understood this example. Okay, now we'll go to the next example, that is find the distance of x. This completes the question number 4. Now we'll go to the question number 5 here. Now here this is the question number 5 from the same practice set. So here you can see find x if the distance between L x comma 7 and M 1 comma 15 is 10. This is very simple example. It is of 3 marks question only. Okay, so first we'll consider let L x comma 7 is equal to x1 comma y1, x1 comma y1. पहले डिस्टेंस को हम लोग क्या सपोज करेंगे, x1 comma y1. Then we will consider next distance, that is M. Okay, 1 comma 15 is equal to x2 comma y2. Yes or no? Second we have considered x2 comma y2. After that what we'll write? After that we will write the distance formula. Okay, so here we'll write therefore the distance of LM is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now I will substitute the values here. What is the distance is given in the question? It is written that find the x if the distance between L and M is 10. मतलब distance of LM given है 10, L के भी कोऑर्डिनेट गिवन है, M के भी कोऑर्डिनेट गिवन है, और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो L इज गिवन 1,7, M इज गिवन 1,15, ओके, x, 7 एंड डिस्टेंस इज गिवन ऑलरेडी 10. सो डिस्टेंस ऑफ LM की जगह पे हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे 10 इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ x2 इज 1 माइनस x1 इज x ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस y2 इज 15 minus y1 is 7 square. Okay, 10 is same is equal to under root of 1 minus x square is same. Okay, and what will write after that? 15 minus 7 is 15 minus 7 nikal, what you will get? 8. So 8 square. Okay, now we have to cancel the square root. So how will you cancel the square root? So for cancelling the square root, we will take the square on both the side. So we'll write taking square on both the side. Taking square on both sides, therefore 10 square is 100, root will be cancelled, that will be 1 minus x square plus 8 square is 64. Okay, 64 will go this side, 100 minus 64 is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Okay, after that 100 minus 64 कितना आता है? 100 minus 64 is what we have got here, 36. So what we can write here, therefore 36 is equal to, okay, and 1 minus x whole square same है, so we will write here 1 minus x whole square. Yes or no? So what we have written here, okay, 36, what we have written here, 36 minus 36 equal to 1 minus x whole square. Okay, again I am writing here 36 is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Now I will take the square root on both the side of this because you can't see this. Okay, 36 equal to 1 minus x square whole square. After taking square root, 36 इसका square है 6 का is equal to 1 minus same, इसका square root रहेगा तो x, this x will go to this side, minus x will become plus x is equal to 1 minus 6, therefore x equal to minus 5. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. क्या किए समझ में आया यह? ओके, 100 माइनस 64 कितना हो गया था? 36 is equal to 1 minus x whole square same. After taking square root, 36 का square root 6 आएगा, 1 minus x whole square है तो square will be cancelled, 1 minus x only. After that x will come here, minus का plus हो जाएगा and 6 will go there, 1 minus 6, just shifting, we are just shifting the values. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So answer is minus 5. Here we will write taking square root, Julie, taking square root. Okay, so with this we have completed the second example also. Okay, so with this we have completed the first practice set 5.1. In the next lecture we will start with the practice set 5.2. Okay, so I hope you understood this example. Okay, try to solve at your home. I'll give you some assignment, solve this assignment to your for your practice, for your homework. Okay, thank you so much.